How can you recognize true hunger? Hunger is the physical need for fuel. You're never hungry all the time. On the other hand, appetite is your mental desire for food. You can have an appetite all the time. Most people don't know their true hunger because they never allow themselves to get to that point. Here is the hunger scale. On the left is where you're ravenous, weak, and starving. On the right is where you're uncomfortably full. It's optimal to eat at a level 3 or below. Most importantly, you should never eat past level 4. When you go to eat your first meal of the day, you need to be at a level 1. Never eat until you hear your stomach growl. When your stomach growls, you've just entered the fat-burning mode. This is the time to maximize your weight loss potential, so it's best to let your stomach growl for a while. For more information, go to chantelrayway.com where you can get free fasting materials, listen to the podcast, or purchase the book.